If your iPhone is stuck on the swipe up to unlock screen and the display isn't responding, here's how you can fix it. First, try restarting your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If that doesn't work, try entering diagnostics mode. The problem could be caused by a software glitch or, in some cases, a hardware issue. I'll provide a link in the description explaining how to enter diagnostics mode. Once your iPhone turns back on, there are a few things you can do to help prevent the issue from happening again. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap General. Then scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and tap Reset All Settings again to confirm. Finally, check your iPhone's storage. If your storage is completely full, it can cause apps to crash and may lead to other performance issues. To check your storage, go to Settings greater than General, greater than iPhone storage. If your storage is almost full, try deleting unnecessary photos, videos, apps, or other files to free up some space. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.